Yes. So they say I'm supposed to get here
I mean, I thought too?
for 9 o'clock, you see? So I'm here on time.
Okay.
What time you have there, young man?
In a good time, still now, 8:20 now.
8:20.
Yeah, man, alright,
You
cool.
know I had a warm time over the last 2 days?
Eh?
Because I wake up a couple mornings ago and my seed bag swell up like football.
Wow.
I drink some sweet sugar and water that never do nothing. My wife take olive oil and 90 it.
Wow.
90 it and provide. That never do nothing. So I came here and them tell me I should come back today at 9 o'clock. Cause nothing changing. See there?
Jesus!
You
Lad.
can swell up, look on it. You want me show you?
No, I'm good enough, Pops. I'm good, man. I'm good.
Yes,
Yeah, man,
You
I'm
can
good.
swell up.
Yeah, man, move upstairs, get take care of today, though. You see me?
Ah, boy.
Yeah, man.
But you know, I want to make sure.
Eh?
You can check this number for me.
Bruh.
Yeah, man. I want to just check
Eh?
that I have the right things. What this number say?
Yeah, man, I right care that, man.
It's to the head say, don't it? Yes, to the head say. But you mean a youngster?
Eh?
You're a young man, you know. Your seed bag still young. Everything's still young. Do all of the tests them while you're young. And don't be like me. Eh? And wait until you get old. See you know? Me old, never do the test them when me fi do. And now, random doctor go look for me seed bag. Just exposed to the entire world now. Eh? Not a shame me have no more. So get the test
Number
done.
18.
Yeah, man, number 18. Pops, take care of yourself here. Yeah, man, you just call me number one.
Alright, take care, young man. And remember what I tell you, alright, youngster?